How to run retargeting ads on Facebook. Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on how you can run retargeting ads on Facebook. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to effectively set up and optimize retargeting campaigns, helping you re-engage potential customers and boost conversions. Now, before we proceed, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, before we head over to our topic, let's go ahead and understand Facebook retargeting ads. Facebook retargeting ads allow you to reach people who have previously interacted with your business, whether they visited your website, engaged with your content, or added products to their cart without completing a purchase. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to basically set up Facebook Pixel. Now let's navigate through the article right here on what is the Facebook or Meta Pixel. The Meta Pixel is a piece of code on your website that can help you better understand the effectiveness of your advertising. Here's the keywords and the action people take on your site, like visiting a page or adding an item to their cart. You'll also be able to see when customer took an action after seeing your ad on Facebook and Instagram, which can help you with retargeting, which is our topic as of the moment. And when you use Conversions API alongside the Pixel, it creates a more reliable connection that helps the delivery system decrease your cost. Now, basically, we want to set up this specific feature into our page from Facebook. Now, if we navigate through our event manager, you can just go ahead and see this page right here by clicking on the all tools on your profile page. From here, you can then go ahead and search for event planner or event manager. If you cannot go ahead and see it, you can just click on the Meta Business Suite. Inside the Meta Business Suite, you can then go ahead and click on all tools. You want to search for event planner. And from here, you want to click on the advertise menu or the advertise category. Now once inside, you will then be taken to this page. You can also go ahead and navigate through this menu by heading over to the article and by clicking on the Get Started button. Once inside the Get Started, we will then be prompted on how you can set up and install the Meta Pixel. Basically, setting up a pixel involves two steps. Create your pixel and set up the base code on your website. You can use a partner integration if available or add code manually to your website. You can set up events on your website to measure actions like making a purchase. You can use a partner integration, the point-and-click event setup tool, or add manually to your website. Now basically all you have to do is to once again navigate through the events manager, and once inside, you want to go ahead and click on the connect data. From here, you then want to select the web option, which is to connect your website to share activity that occurs online, including view content or add to cart and purchase. So you can just go ahead and click on this option right here and you should be good to go. Now, in my case, I'm not gonna be able to choose this specific option because I don't have a business portfolio. So you can just go ahead and have a business portfolio in order to select this specific option. Now, let's head over to our next category, which is creating a custom audience. Now, accessing audience, basically in the ads manager, you can just head over to the audience section, which is right here. You want to click on go to ads manager. And once inside, once again, head over to the audience section. Navigate through the sidebar, click on audiences, and from here you will then be taken to this page. Now you want to access the custom audience. We have the website traffic. You want to target users based on specific actions they took. For the app activity, you want to retarget users who engaged with your application. For the next one, you have your customer list. You want to upload a list of contacts for direct retargeting. And lastly, for engagement, you want to reach people who interacted with your Facebook or Instagram content. So from here, you have your custom audiences. You can just click on the create a custom audience. You must go ahead and connect with the account center who have already shown an interest in your businesses or product with the custom audiences. You can create an audience from your customer contacts, website, or traffic. Now, this is where the Google or Meta pixel comes in. You can just go ahead and use the pixel and connect them with your custom audience, and it will then go ahead and sync who is your website traffic, the app activity, customer list, and engagement. Basically, setting up your retargeting campaign is really easy. You want to choose objectives like conversions, traffic, or catalog sales. You want to select your custom audience, define your budget and schedule, and from there you can choose placement. You have your automatic placement, which is recommended. Now for the ad level, you're going to create engaging ad creatives. You want to write compelling ad copy with clear to call to action. You want to add relevant links to ensure tracking is enabled on the Meta pixel. Now for the tips and tricks for effective retargeting. First things first, your segment to your audience. You want to tailor ads based on user behavior. Once again, it could be cart abandonment or blog readers or website visitor. You want your frequency control. You want to avoid ad fatigue by limiting the number of times an ad is shown. You want dynamic ads. Use dynamic product ads to automatically show products users viewed. You want A and B testing. You want to test different creatives, headlines, and CTA to see what works best. And lastly, for tips, you want exclusion audience. Exclude converted customers to save budgets. And for the next category, for analyzing and optimizing performance, you want to use key metrics. You want to monitor metrics like CTR, conversion rate, and ROAS. Now, using data or Facebook analytics is really important. You want to dive deeper into your audience behavior and campaign performance. And lastly, making data-driven decisions. Adjust your target, creatives, and budget based on the performance data from Facebook. Now for the advanced retargeting strategies. You want to use SQL retargeting. You want to create an ad sequence that guide users through the buyer's journey. You want cross-platform retargeting. You want to extend retargeting efforts to Instagram and your audience network. And lastly, you have lookalike audiences. Use data from your best performing retargeting audience to find new potential customers. Now, by following this tutorial, you'll be able to set up a powerful Facebook retargeting ads that re-engage potential customers and drive conversions. You want to keep testing, analyzing, and optimizing your campaign to achieve the best results. Now, if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your feedbacks in the comments below. So, happy advertising and thank you for watching.